Welcome back to Digital Impact VIP, the channel where we help you discover new and exciting ways to boost your income online. Today, we're diving into an incredible method that can earn you up to $1,200 a day, and the best part is, you don't need any experience to get started. Imagine making this kind of money simply by writing children's books with the help of AI tools that are completely free to use. Now, before we get into the details, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. And of course, if you're intrigued by what I'm about to share, click the link in the description to learn more about how you can start making money today. So, let's talk about how this method works. You may have heard that the children's book market is booming. Parents and educators are constantly on the lookout for new, engaging books for kids. But what if I told you that creating a best-selling children's book no longer requires you to be a skilled author or illustrator? That's right. Thanks to advances in AI technology, you can now produce high-quality, professional-looking children's books without writing a single word or drawing a single picture yourself. This method leverages free AI tools that help you generate text and illustrations for children's books on any topic you choose. The beauty of this system is that it's not just about the tools. It's about a step-by-step method that guides you through the entire process, from idea generation to publishing, and ultimately, to selling your books online. The training you'll receive will teach you exactly how to use these AI tools to create stories that captivate young readers. You'll learn how to choose popular themes and topics that are in high demand, and then use AI to craft engaging narratives around them. You'll also get access to AI tools that can generate illustrations that look like they were drawn by a professional artist. This takes away the need to hire expensive illustrators or spend weeks or months trying to draw your own artwork. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Once you've created your children's book using this method, you can publish it online on platforms like Amazon and other digital bookstores. The process of self-publishing has never been easier. With just a few clicks, your book can be available for sale to millions of customers around the world. But the key to this method is volume. Because the process is so streamlined with AI, you can create multiple books in a short amount of time. Some people using this method are publishing dozens of children's books each month, significantly increasing their chances of landing a bestseller. And don't worry if you're thinking, I don't know how to market my books. That's covered too. The method includes lessons on how to market your children's books effectively, ensuring that they get in front of the right audience. You'll learn simple strategies for boosting visibility, getting reviews, and driving sales, even if you've never sold anything online before. Think about the potential here. In just a few days, you could have your first children's book published and earning sales. And if one book performs well, imagine what happens when you publish 10, 20, or even 50 books. The income potential is huge, and all of it can be done without any prior experience in writing or publishing. This method is perfect for anyone looking to build a passive income stream. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a freelancer looking for additional income, or someone who wants to break into the publishing industry without the traditional barriers, this is your opportunity. So, if you're ready to learn how to make $1,200 a day writing children's books with AI, click the link in the description below. It will take you to a page where you can learn more about this incredible method and see how others are already earning thousands using the same system. Thank you for tuning into Digital Impact VIP. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on future content that will help you achieve financial success online. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video.